Good afternoon, this is McKayla Tennyson with grain commentary for the week ending July 22nd. This week, nearby corn futures finished down 47 cents, with new crop corn futures finishing down 46 cents. New crop soybean futures finished down 40 cents, with nearby and new crop wheat futures finishing down 28 cents. It was a rough week for the grain markets as prices continue on their downward spiral. Money has been influencing the markets as of late, providing some sell pressure and further pushing the grain markets lower. U.S. weather remains to be hot with some dry areas and forecasts calling for some much-needed rain. The talk continues on whether or not Russia is open to Ukraine exports, even though their port facilities are damaged. Brazil is continuing to harvest a good-yielding, solid corn crop, with thoughts that it will ease the Ukraine export and production struggles. Ethanol production rose week over week, while stocks declined. Weekly export sales for corn this week were very poor at 1.3 million bushels, well below the needed 10 million bushels. Weekly export sales for soybeans were 7.5 million bushels, which is ahead of the needed pace, with a flash sale to China this week. Weekly export sales for wheat were at 18.8 million bushels and were double the pace that was needed. Corn Progress put the U.S. corn crop at 64% good to excellent, which is unchanged from last week and compared to 65% last year. 6% is in the dough stage versus the average of 7%. 30% is silking. Soybeans have been rated 61% good to excellent, which is down 1% from last week. Setting pods is at 14% and blooming is at 48%. USDA had winter wheat harvest at 70% complete, with spring wheat conditions at 71% good to excellent and 68% headed. Thank you for listening to this week's market update and have a great weekend.